Dumpster rental service in Florida. Dumpster Depot offers dependable dumpster rental service in Florida, tailored to homeowners, businesses, and contractors. We understand the importance of having a reliable and timely cleanup, renovation, or debris removal solution. That's why we ensure the entire process is simple, efficient, and stress-free from beginning to end. Whether you're working on a home renovation, a construction site, or just tackling general junk removal, we've got the solution you need. Our team is committed to delivering exceptional service with on-time drop-offs and pickups so your project never gets delayed. We understand that every job is unique, so we offer flexible rental options to meet your requirements. No matter the size or scope of your project, we're here to help you stay on track. We're proud to be a trusted local choice for dumpster rentals across Florida. Our experienced team is dedicated to ensuring your satisfaction at every process step. Dumpster Depot stands out because we prioritize making your experience smooth, professional, and hassle-free. You have come to the right place for quick, helpful, and reliable service. Call us today at 863-330-0133 to reserve your dumpster and get started. Dumpster Depot is transforming Florida, one dumpster at a time.